Listen to me closely. If you are retired, or you are standing right on the doorstep of retirement, every single dollar you have built up isn't just money anymore. It is your lifeline. It is your peace of mind. It is your freedom. And nothing, absolutely nothing, should stand between you and the money you have worked a lifetime to save. Lately, I have been hearing from so many of you who have taken control of your own investing, using platforms like eToro to grow your nest egg. But now, you are ready to start enjoying it. You want to pay for that trip, patch up the roof, or just shift that cash into your local savings account where you can see it and feel secure. And the big question keeping you up at night is this: can you actually transfer your money from eToro back to your traditional bank account? Let me give you the answer straight up, with no beating around the bush. Yes, you absolutely can. But, and this is a massive Susie but, if you do not understand the rules of the game, you are going to find yourself trapped in a web of delays, unexpected fees, and unnecessary panic. And at this stage of your life, we do not tolerate unnecessary panic. Here's the real problem. Traditional banking is comfortable. You walk into a branch, you talk to a teller, you move money, and it is done. Fintech platforms do not work that way. When you click that withdraw button, you are entering a highly regulated digital pipeline. Many retirees get trapped because they see a big balance on their screen, they try to move it, and the system blocks them. They instantly think, oh my goodness, my money is gone. I've been scammed. Your fear is real, and I validate that fear because your financial security is at stake. But the truth is, the money isn't gone, it is just locked up because you didn't know the rules. First, let's look at the biggest hurdle, the available balance rule. You might look at your eToro portfolio and see $50,000. But if $45,000 of that is currently tied up in open stocks, ETFs, or crypto positions, you do not have $50,000 to transfer. You only have $5,000. eToro will not let you withdraw money that is actively invested. If you want that money in your bank account, you have to sell those investments first, let the cash settle, and only then does it become available to transfer. Second, let's talk about security rules that cause major delays. eToro has a strict policy. When you ask for your money back, they try to send it right back to the exact same source you used to deposit it in the first place. So, if you funded your account 3 years ago using an old debit card that has since expired, or from a bank account you have closed, the system is going to hit the brakes. It creates a security flag, and suddenly your transfer is stuck in limbo while you scramble to verify a new bank account. Then there are the leaks, the fees. Every time you withdraw from a standard USD investment account, eToro takes a fixed $5 fee. Now, $5 might not sound like a lot, but if you are making small, frequent withdrawals to pay your monthly bills, those $5 hits add up. Even worse, if your bank account is in a currency other than US dollars, like euros, British pounds, or Canadian dollars, you are going to get hit with currency conversion fees that can chew up to 3% of your hard-earned money. That is your money going into their pockets, and it infuriates me. So, how do we solve this? How do you get your money out safely, quickly, and with the absolute minimum amount of friction? Here is your actionable, step-by-step takeaway to do this right. Step number 1, check your verification status before you do anything else. Look at your eToro profile. Do you see a green check mark next to your name? If you don't, your account is not fully verified, and they will block your withdrawal before it even starts. Upload your ID, prove your address, and get that green check mark. Do it today, not the day you desperately need the cash. Step number 2, ensure you meet the minimums. eToro requires a minimum withdrawal of $30 from a USD account. If you try to transfer $20 just to test the waters, it will fail. Step number 3, navigate the dashboard properly. Log into your account, go to the left-hand menu, and look for the tab that says Withdraw Funds. You enter the amount you want, click Next, and you will see your default payment method. If that bank account info is current, great. Hit Submit. If it isn't, you must select other payment options to link your current, active bank account before you authorize the transfer. Step number 4, manage your expectations on timing. This is not an instant ATM transaction. While eToro will usually process the request and send you a confirmation email within 2 business days, it can take anywhere from 2 to 10 business days for the money to actually show up in your traditional bank account, depending on whether you are using a bank transfer, a credit card, or an e-wallet like PayPal. If you need to pay your property taxes by next Tuesday, do not wait until Friday to start this transfer. Give yourself a 2-week buffer so you are never biting your nails waiting for your own money to land. You have spent decades sacrificing, planning, and investing so that you could enjoy these years without financial anxiety. Do not let a lack of knowledge about digital platforms rob you of your peace. Take control of your account, understand the settlement periods, verify your banking links, and plan your withdrawals well in advance. You can absolutely move your money from eToro to your bank account. Just make sure you do it on your terms, safely, and wisely.